Because self-identity is the only solution for us to create what we want effortlessly. How much time, how much effort, how much investment are you putting in for your self-identity? Because self-identity is the only solution for us to create what we want effortlessly. Maganda ba? So kung ang self-identity mo is ang pera ay laging umaapaw parating sa akin, do you think kailangan mo pang pagtrabahuan yan? Or kusang ihahatid? Exactly, kasi yan na yung alignment mo sa frequency mo sa pera. Now, since some of you, no, medyo nagmamadali na. Meron bang nagmamadali? Gusto talagang yung income na makuha. Okay, so get priorities, intentionality. Number 2 is intensity. What's the word? Intensity. Be intense. Diba? May mga cut-off pa kayo sa business ninyo? Diba? Kailan tayo naglalagay ng intensity sa ating negosyo? Kung kailan? Exactly. What if yung intensity mo, day 1 pa lang, hindi mo na siya pinoproblema? Alam mo naman itong deliverable mo, kailan mo siya ipapasok, yung talagang totoong trabaho. Pag malapit na, kaya ka tense, kaya ka stress, kaya ka anxiety, kaya ka overwhelmed, kasi nga, kulang ka sa intensity, kulang ka sa intentionality.